Can you just imagine greeting your wedding guests with the intoxicating scent of gardenias, especially Jubilation gardenias, on that someone special wedding day, or really any day in your home or garden? Our Jubilation gardenias are an improved version of this classic Southern charmer, blooming spring, summer, well into fall against deep green, glossy foliage. Jubilation is a compact grower that's tidy in form, and it's especially valuable in the garden because it's a reliable repeat bloomer. Plant them in flower beds or container gardens where you and your guests can fully appreciate their warm, heady scent, maybe on your front porch or along walkways and near outdoor seating areas. Try Jubilation gardenias from the Southern Living Plant Collection, and I promise they will make you fall in love again and again.